In this worksheet, we have 6 center patterns to practice. Each design includes a sample to trace over, which helps improve muscle memory and understand the flow of the patterns. Tracing is a great way to build confidence before drawing freehand. Next, we have 2 grids for centers where you can try recreating the patterns yourself. Each of these center designs took me around 5 minutes to complete, but I'm fast forwarding this part for now. If you'd like to practice along with me, I've uploaded real-time videos for each pattern in my pattern practice playlist. And if you'd like this worksheet for practice, just comment your email ID below or mail me at kalpartai@gmail.com. I'll send it to you for free. Mandala drawing is not just an art form, it's a meditative practice that helps improve focus, patience, and creativity. The repetitive patterns bring a sense of balance and calm, making it a great mindfulness activity for both beginners and experienced artists. There are different types of mandalas, each with its own unique style. Ornate mandalas are highly detailed and intricate, often featuring floral, paisley, and lace-like patterns. Black fine liner mandalas focus on high contrast detailing, where bold lines define the design, giving it a clean and striking look. Then we have geometric mandalas, which are structured using precise shapes like triangles, squares, and hexagons, creating a mathematically balanced composition. On this channel, we will explore all these different types of mandalas in detail, along with the various mediums you can use, whether it's fine liners, acrylic paints, watercolors, or even digital art. I'll also share step-by-step tutorials, practice worksheets, and tips to improve your mandala skills. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. It really helps my channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring more such content for you. Also, let me know in the comments which type of mandala you'd love to learn next. Mandala art is more than just a creative hobby. It offers many benefits for the mind and soul. One of the biggest advantages of drawing mandalas is stress relief. The repetitive patterns and structured designs create a sense of calm, similar to meditation. As you focus on each stroke, your mind naturally relaxes, reducing anxiety and improving concentration. Another great benefit is mindfulness. When you create a mandala, you become fully present in the moment, paying attention to every detail. This practice helps improve patience and self-awareness, making it an excellent form of art therapy. Mandala drawing also enhances creativity. Even though mandalas follow a symmetrical structure, there's endless room for experimentation with patterns, colors, and designs. The more you practice, the more confident you become in expressing your own artistic style. It's also a great way to improve hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. The intricate detailing involved in mandala art strengthens muscle control and precision, which is especially beneficial for both kids and adults. Lastly, mandalas can be deeply personal and symbolic. Many people use them to represent emotions, personal growth, or even spiritual beliefs. Some designs can reflect inner peace, while others symbolize transformation and balance. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Let me know how mandala art has helped you, or if you have any specific topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. As you go through practicing, feel free to add modifications like this according to your creativity and taste. That's it for today's practice session. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyed tracing and creating these patterns. Keep practicing, and over time, you'll see your designs become more refined and confident. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more mandala tutorials and practice sessions. If you'd like to get these worksheets for free, just send me an email at calpartle@gmail.com and I'll be happy to share them with you. See you in the next video. Happy creating!